Hey there everyone, Indro here. This video will be a bit different as in every one of them you see my artwork, but in this one it will be all about you and your artworks. Recently I completed 5,000 followers on Instagram and also a few days back I made it to 5,000 subscribers on YouTube. I am really grateful for all the love and support you guys show in my work. Thank you so much. So I thought about giving back something to you. For that I opened a hashtag on Instagram, the hashtag encreateshowcase, and I asked you to tag your artworks with it. So today I will showcase some of the best artworks from that hashtag so that you can also get to know other awesome artists out there. Be sure to visit their profile and show some love. Now I cannot show each and every artwork, so I have chosen 23 out of them. So if you don't find your artwork in the list, be sure to keep creating and I'll definitely show yours in the future videos. The artworks will be in no specific order, I'll be showing them randomly. Well then, let's get started with the very first video of Best of Your Artworks. The first one is by Givenesh T, and by now you must already know that I am a great fan of epic landscapes and this one is really well done. The soft pink and blue colors fit so well and the distant objects gives a certain retro-futuristic vibe. This one is by Zactic Arts and this dude is a master of blending and colors. The composition itself is so beautiful and charming, but I think this blue-green mist at the bottom really makes it feel very magical. You should definitely check out more of his work. Next comes a very eye-catchy composition by Jorens Bandoma. Beautiful blending over here. The northern lights looks magical and the yellow glow on the fox adds a lovely warm touch. Now we have a mystical composition by Satrio Designs. The monochrome blue fits very nice with the composition over here. The mystical portal does take us to a whole new world. This beautiful composition is by Create Perfectly. Nice work with the soft colors here, looks very good. And he has just started uploading artworks. I would definitely like to see more of your work. Next we have a composite from Parth Visuals. I really dig the concept and the little elements he put in there. He created a floating desert oasis. It's unique and looks cool. We have another beautiful landscape piece from Kumo Nonga. Really nice blending, all looks very realistic and coherent. Love all your other pieces as well, keep up the great work. Here is another amazing work by Chendi Art. Don't get fooled by his follower count. He is a master of blending and handling complicated stuff with stitching various elements together. Too good. I love this recreation of my Armada piece by Tohir of Pohir. I really dig the vibe and the additional elements you put in there. Hey, hold on. Is that a UFO? Okay, I get the story you are trying to tell. Here is another reimagination of my Armada artwork by Vix PhD. I absolutely love the composition and the world building you have done here. I feel the front robot head needs to be a bit darker, but looks good anyways. Here is a simple yet very elegant piece by Yokatru. The giant deer absolutely conveys the mystical feel, whereas the fog and the entire mood of the composition totally complements it. Now, this one is very special. It is created by Haguro Dizien and you will be surprised to know that it is made on mobile using PS Touch. This is really crazy. This guy is indeed a PS Touch wizard. You get my top badge, dude. So you see, the urge to create is the main thing. Be it Photoshop on a PC or PS Touch on a mobile, it doesn't really matter that much. Next one is by Retract Visuals. Really lovely work on the atmosphere over here. Gives me a Dune kind of feeling. I think it just needs some darker shadows below the alien object and it would be perfect, but pretty nice overall work. Here is a pretty cool one by JPEX Art. The spooky tree looks very cool and the green totally adds up to the vibe of the composition. This dude makes really cool art, you should check out more of his work. Here is a fun one by CACHW. He put in lots of different elements to get this unique perspective. Pretty nice overall blending, looks very nice. Great job with this one. Now, here is a very complicated yet well laid out work by Infinix Creations. I bet we all dream about a room like this, isn't it? Oh, and by the way, somewhere in this artwork there is Thanos hiding. Can you find him out? Again, a simple yet very unique concept by Gustav PST. The composition looks very surreal and a really nice job of adding colors into the monochrome teal palette with the rainbow television glitch. This one is by Rusha Pradhan. This I think is done with just 2 images, but you can see the power of good blending and perfectly balanced photos. Simple composition can do wonders. Here we have a stunning Jurassic Park styled composition from Santa Claus. The sunset glow looks really superb. I like the low angle placement of the foreground objects very much. This one is by a cool artist, Phil Gax. I'm always a ninja fan, but this one begs real attention. The glow is perfect, the highlights are perfect, the mood is superb, and the composition is very interesting. Really great job done here. Here's a stunning landscape creation by Yazid Q Art. The composition itself has a certain feel-good factor in it. The colors are really amazing, the blending is superb, looks really great. This guy makes really great art. You should definitely go and check out his profile. Next is an extremely well done piece by Talaraban07. The overall blending is superb. He turned all daytime images into night ones. The subtle glow and the highlights make it look very realistic and spooky. Really great job. Do check out his profile for more work. And last but not the least, this one is by Aryan Visuals. This dude makes great art and you must already know him from one of my earlier art jam videos I did with him. The highlights and the glows are really well done. Nice choice of using the complementary blues and yellows. Superb work done. And so that wraps up this video of best of your artworks from the hashtag #EncreateShowcase. If your artwork didn't get showcased, please don't feel sad. Keep creating great work and I will definitely show your art in the next videos. So if you want me to showcase your artwork, be sure to tag them with the hashtag #EncreateShowcase on Instagram and I will show the best from them over here. Well then, I hope you enjoyed the video. Be sure to visit the artist's profile and show your support. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you like my overall content. I will see you in my next video and till then, enjoy creating.